Okay, so picture this. You're about to dissect a frog in science class. Sounds a little weird, right? But trust me, there's way more to this than just poking around with a scalpel. Dissecting frogs is actually one of the coolest ways to learn about how our own bodies work. Here's a fun fact. Frogs and humans have a lot in common. Frogs have hearts, lungs, stomachs, and even livers, just like us. When you open up a frog, you're basically getting a sneak peek at human anatomy, just in a smaller, hoppier package. Let's talk about the heart. A frog's heart has 3 chambers, while ours has 4. But both do the same job, pumping blood to keep bodies alive and moving. And those lungs? Frogs can actually breathe through their skin. I know, right? Imagine if you could just stand outside and soak up oxygen. Another cool thing you'll notice is the digestive system. Frogs swallow their food whole, and you can actually see the path it takes through their body, from the mouth down the throat all the way to the stomach. It's like following a tiny food adventure. But here's the real reason we do this. By studying frogs, you get hands-on experience with anatomy. You see how organs fit together, how systems work, and you build skills you'll use if you ever want to be a doctor, vet, or any kind of scientist. So next time you're in class with a frog on your tray, remember, it's not just about the frog. It's about unlocking the secrets of life itself. Stay curious, ask questions, and who knows, maybe you'll be the one making the next big discovery in science.